Welcome to academy.com. In quantity surveying practice, let us do some introduction and unit conversion. Quantity surveyor, that is a construction cost consultant, cost estimators, work for either the client or for the contractor and can be based in an office or on site. They make sure the cost of large construction and infrastructure projects are accurately estimated based on initial requirements and project specs. Having a quantity surveyor as part of the team from start to finish ensure that the project is costed out correctly and remains financially feasible at every stage of a construction project. Feasible at every stage of the project. Quantity surveys maintain a balanced and realistic approach to the funding of every project to make sure there are no cost overruns nor that the purse strings are not held too tight. Either extremes has the potential for a catastrophic outcomes. If budgets are too tight, the quality of the projects could suffer, and if spending is in free fall, then the funds may run out before the project is completed. So the quantity surveyors and their job is very important, and from starting to finish the project, their role is very important. Now let us discuss some unit conversion in length, areas and volumes. Like here, first convert of feet to meters, feet to centimeters, feet to meter. Like here, first one, feet to meter, the conversion factor is 0.3048. For example, suppose 5 feet equal 5 into the conversion factor is 0.3048. Let us calculate this. 5 into 0.3048, 0.3048, which is equal 1.524, equal 1.524 meter. That means 1 feet gives 1.524 meter. Like that, feet to centimeter is multiply with the 30.48, because one place this, because two places more means, and meter is 100 centimeter, that is why we have to multiply, the factor is 30.48. Feet to millimeter is same, that is 304.8 factor. Like now inches to feet, here 1 inch to convert feet is you have to multiply with 0.0834. For example, 8 inches, 8 inches is how many feet? That means 8 into the conversion factor is 0.083. Let us calculate this. 8 into 0.083, 0.083 gives 0.664 feet. That is 8 inches, 0.664 feet. Now, like that, miles to kilometer is 1.609. Therefore, suppose 4 miles, 4 miles is 4 into 1.609, 4 into 1.609 is 6.436. 6.436 kilometer. Here, before that we put feet to meter, then meter to feet. Look at here, 1 meter is multiplication factor is 3.281. That means 8 meters, for example, 8 into 3.281. 8 multiplied 3.281. 3.281 equal 26.248 feet. That means this factor reciprocal of this one, that is 1 over 0.3048 is 3.281, like that. Here meter to inch, everything, the conversion, use this conversion and we convert from one unit to another. It's very useful for calculation purposes. Now areas calculation, square feet. Here square feet means feet square equals square meter square. Suppose 1 square meter, 1 square feet is 0.0929 means meter square. Then how to convert? For example, 7 feet square equal, multiplication factor is 0.0929 into 7. 0.0929 into 7 equal 0.6503. 6503 meter square. Similarly, feet square to hectares, you have to multiply factor is 9.29 into 10 to the power minus 6. Like, the conversion factor is very useful to quick calculations. Now, convert acres, area to hectare. Multiplication factor is 0.4047. 0.4047. Suppose 80 acres equal to 8 into 0.4047, 8 multiplied 0.4047 equal 3.2376. 2376 hectare. Now, like, look at this all conversion, we can use similar ways. Now, cubic centimeter to ml is 1 cubic centimeter is 1 ml. So conversion factor is 1. Cubic meter to gallon is 264.2. Suppose 12 cubic meter is how many gallons? That is 12 into 264.2. 12 multiply 264. 264.2 equal 3170.4 gallons. gallon. Now let us do some quick calculation. 6 centimeter, we know that 1 centimeter is 10 mm, that is 60. Then 1 centimeter is 10 mm. 30 centimeter is 0.3 centimeter. 30 mm is 0.3 centimeter. These are easy calculation. 60 mm is how many centimeter is 6 centimeter. Next is 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. 10,000 meter is 10 kilometer. 4,000 meter is 4 kilometer. 8 kilometer is 8,000 meters. You can fill the remaining things, you can fill in that. Here 2,000 meter is 2 kilometer. Now gram to kg. We know that 1 kg is 1000 gram. Therefore 10,000 gram is 10 kg. 5 kg. 8 kg is how many gram? 8,000 grams. Like that we can do. Now look at here. 10,000 ml is 10 liter. That means 1000 liter is 1 liter. 10,000 ml is 1 liter. Therefore 10,000 ml is 10 liters. 8,000 ml is 8 liters. 3 liter is 3000 ml. 2000 ml is 2 liters. Now here two things, that is 327 centimeter is how many meters, how many centimeters. Here 3 meters 27 centimeters. Here 5 meter 7 centimeter is 507 centimeter. Next here 375 centimeter is 3 meter 75 centimeter. Look at here 9 meter and 70 centimeter is 970 centimeters. Here 635 centimeter is 6 meter 35 centimeters. Now ml, milliliter to liter here. 14,449 ml is 14.449 liters. Here 217 ml is 0.217 liters. 8 liter is 800 ml. 1192 ml is 1.192 liters. 6.1 liter is 6001 ml. So far we discussed about unit conversion in length, area and volume, and as well as we discussed about the introduction of quantity survey and how it's done. That means that some unit conversion, first basic thing is you have to understand how to convert the units from one to another by using conversion factor. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.